Hello, I'm going to show you quite quickly a KABE motorhome made in Sweden, so it's designed for cold weather. Novum C720LGB. It claims it's a new vehicle, 142,077 euros, and it's 716 centimeters in length. It's got a chair here, which you might think is pointing the wrong way, but that chair can also point the other way as well. We've got a really big table here. Actually, that's quite handy if you're thinking about it when you come in here and take your shoes off. Aha, good one, eh? Lots of light, I would hope, would come through here, but not if you're in the motorhome in Sweden in winter. Also, because they use rather dark colors. In fact, this is about the brightest KABE vehicle I know. At this price, I wouldn't have expected a step there. That's my opinion. Over here, we've got a Thetford grill down there. We've got storage in the drawers. Here we've got a sink, and on the other side, if we're extremely lucky and there's a glass over, we will find two burners. You may be thinking, two burners at this price? Well, I would have to say that, in my opinion, two's all most people tend to use, but if you want three, you could take that, I'm sure, as an option if you ask them, and have to pay a fair whack for it. In here we've got a toilet, which unfortunately the shower has only got one drainage point. There's the shower. I mean, it is contoured backwards. I think it's quite well designed from that point of view, the shape, but I don't like it just having one and a small drainage point at that. There's your sink, and there's a mirror so you can see me. Well, you won't see me if it's in a different van. It's just the only van there, of course. A sensible sliding door here, like that. Place there to keep your towels or something. Coming to the back, we've got storage under both sides of the bed, slit windows at the back here, and I do appreciate maybe you don't want a lot of light in the bedroom, but I think it might have benefit from larger windows. It also certainly would have benefit from storage up here if you're going to use small windows like that. This is a unit which can of course be doubled in, sorry, not doubled, you make a big bed from the two singles, and you do that by opening this thing here, and inside there is a plate which will come out. Well, it's supposed to come out. You can hear it's in there anyway. It doesn't seem to want to come out, but doesn't have, might be shy. We've got ALDE heating in this unit, which is quite good. Under here we'll find a wardrobe, and under here we'll find there's some shelves, or there's a wardrobe as well. You can you lift this up? I can't remember. No, I thought you can't lift this up, sorry. So it would be better if you could lift that up as well. You can't lift it up on the top of the range models, and only 142,000. This is what the plebs drive in Sweden. Good. Storage, yeah, showed you all that. Showed you the grill. Let's go outside. Toilet cassette. There's two gas burners. Sorry, not two gas burners. Oh, I'm getting confused. I've been doing it for too long. It's only, that means the morning. Two gas cylinders. Don't burn them, right? Don't say you saw it in the video. Don't light them up, because that'll be a problem. At this price range, again, I would have preferred something you can actually pull out. And in here, nice garage, bit of storage on the left hand side. Got the shower there for the dog at the back, and the door is at the same size at both ends, so that's okay. We'll have a look at the back. Says there, Travel Master, made in Sweden, Novum. There you go. So that's this vehicle here. You know, I think you have it'll sleep up to 6 people actually it'll certainly there's certainly space for a drop down bed above it. Good, so there you go, Novum C720LGB at a price which was a lot of money. Thanks for watching. Oh, and you have to get off-road as well, which you might need in Sweden.